Alright, guys, we're going to run this for Andy. He's got to pick one here. 7 spots at 3. We're going to go live. It is 7:55 p.m. We are live. We are live. 7:55. 7:55. We will grab the list. Seven spots. Drop it into random. 7 entries. Paulo on the top, John on the bottom. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. 7. Good luck. Here we go. That's 1. 2, 3, 4. That's number 4. 5. 6. That's 6 times. Dice show 7. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 7. Congrats to John. Spot number 3. You are the winner. Get in touch with Andy and collect your bobblehead. We are done. 7:56. We'll go back. We will type done. We are done. 7:56. 7:56.